everybody, this is Andrew from TS for Tech. Just wanted to go over a new product from ESR. This is in their line of cases for the back of an iPhone. It's like kind of like a wallet slash case slash stand, but this has a lot of features, right? So you have your card slot. You can probably fold up money, stick it inside. There is a little bit of a strap here on the back that has multiple purposes. You can use it to put your finger in, right? So kind of like that. You can use it to hold something, maybe put some cash in there or something and stick that there too. So it's got a really nice card and multiple things you can see. There's quite a bit of card slot storage in there. Now the other cool thing about this is that it's also, obviously a stand, right? So you can use this as a stand. But what's really cool is it also works with the Apple Find My network. So I don't know if this is the first one or not, but this has, basically AirTag compatible thing built into it. Find my friends here. Find my devices. And you want to add a new device. You need to go ahead and make the device discoverable by pressing that button. And as you can see, it shows up as the ESR HaloLock Geo Wallet stand. And now I can go ahead and connect it, choose an emoji, and finish the setup. So what's really cool, obviously, with this is now your wallet that has a MagSafe adapter, to connect to it, basically it's basically built into the wallet. So it's really cool. So now you don't have to have your wallet and then get an AirTag and try to get that all working. This has the AirTag, basically compatible AirTag built into it, works with the Find My network. And it works just like an AirTag. So I can say play sound. And it plays a sound. Yeah, so basically you can use it like an AirTag. Now, the one thing I don't think you can do is the kind of pinpoint directions. So I don't believe you can do it like on the AirTag. Well, it says 5 feet to the right or whatever. It doesn't seem to work like that with this, unless I potentially just take it away. Yeah, I don't know if that works, but it does play sounds. It does, lost mode, all the other things that you would think that are similar to, the AirTag. This will do, except I don't know if it has the precision finding. I'll have to double check on that. But overall, it's really cool, right? So, basically the deal is wallet, MagSafe compatible, so you can put that on there. Sticks to the case, sticks to your phone. And then you can use it as the stand, right? So, and this does have quite a bit of tension on the hinge, so you can stand the phone up multiple different ways. You can turn the phone sideways, use it in a horizontal mode, like that. The other thing that's interesting is that you need to eventually charge this once the battery kind of runs down on the, the Find My portion, and then they give you this little magnetic cable. As you can see, magnetic cable connects to this. You plug it in, you charge it up. Battery is in the back here. The whole thing is pretty slim. And overall, it's actually a really cool item. If you're looking for, a wallet stand that also has built-in AirTag. So very, very cool. I will link to this in the description of the video. And yeah, definitely go check it out. 2 thumbs up for me. This is Andrew from TS for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. bye.